Today, let's talk about one of the most refreshing drinks out there, Rooh Afza. You can find this sweet rose flavored syrup in almost any grocery store around the world. It's especially popular in Middle Eastern and South Asian countries. You'll see it everywhere in places like Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, and the Middle East. Rooh Afza is a Ramadan staple. People love drinking it at iftar because it's super refreshing and helps rehydrate the body. But it's not just for Ramadan, people also drink it in hot weathers to cool down. You can mix it with water or milk, but this time I did it with water. And if you want to level it up, try adding basil seeds to it for extra freshness. This is optional, by the way. Seriously, this drink is a lifesaver on a hot day. Have you ever tried Rooh Afza before? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more. See you in the next one.